lilly herbal healing shop. Welcome. See, that's the noni. See? No, I said, bam, you pick it. This is all the medicine. Herbal cleanser, natural building. You know what Jamaica hockey? This is a national dish. This is a national dish even without saltfish. That's all. That's how we live in Jamaica. Natural food. Natural from the tree, see? In your yard. See? As I go sometime. The bird have to eat, the worm have to eat. So we don't eat everything. So we have to go back to the earth. And the bird eat it to eat, eh? And the worm, right? So, that's the noni tree. The noni, remember the noni tree is this noni tree is a very powerful medicine. From the leaf to the fruit to the bark, it's good. It has 105 medical use. It's also good for take away aging. It's also good for replenishing the tissues. So it's good for broken down tissue, so when they get old, because of the tissue then get old, they get floppy skin. So the noni now help to peel forward those tissue, so you look whole, you look fresh. Is that what I said? The noni. So the leaf, the ripe leaf could be used to make tea, and you could also make a green juice from it too, if you choose. Bark, chip it, put it into your tonic, it's good. The fruit is good, so every part of the noni, the seed also good for making teas. Like you could, the seed that come from it, you could grind it up and you get beautiful teas from it. Then here comes a ripe fruit. See, that's the noni. See? No, I said, bam, you pick it. So that's the fruit, so that's where now, so it's ripe. So you could put this down now, wash it, and you put it in the bag, and then it drains. So when it drains, the water comes out naturally. So you could drink that. And you could use it if you have a headache. You have a headache, Papa, you could use it to sup. And take away your pain. And if you have pain, you use the water to sup. You could wash your eye, cleanse your eye. You take out all what's inside, clean. So it's an eye cleanser, and it's a healer, and it's so powerful. So if you're living in the herb, use the herb for your food, your medicine, your lotion. You see me? Yeah, man. So here comes the calabash, you know. You know, so we have to have a plate to do. So that's the calabash. You see this? Calabash. Show you. So that's a calabash right here. See how just pick this calabash right here? Good. It's from the tree. So there's a calabash. What you did now, you cut it. Then you scrape it out. Then you get a cup. This is the most I provide us food, plate, and cup. See how much it's powerful? Wow. Plate and cup and food. That's what the most I give unto us. Almond is such a powerful nut that you'll be surprised, my brother. The nut of it, it's good. The milk is good. So the milk comes from the nut. The outside of the skin of the almond, it is good for making drinks. The leaf also is good when it's ripe, because it's also a blood cleanser. You know, it's also a relaxer. You know, somebody get hypey, you could grab the leaf and help him to settle himself, you know? Yeah, man, tambourine. We talk about tambourine, like how the time is hot now, tambourine juice is good. And the leaf is good for measles. Like somebody have bumps, measles come up on the skin, it's good for using. Tambourine. So you see, we have all of these things to cleanse it, to heal us. That's why the most I say, if the leaves of the tree, are healing of the nation. Not true? So when we apply ourselves and accept Rastafari to be our keeper, our savior and everything, we save through the herb, the food, the water, everything. You see? I will tell this man, say, cleansing is what? Godliness, not true? So you have to bathe and exercise. And that's the first part. You come to the man, you have to bathe, get yourself clean out, feel good. Yeah. Is that what I say? I guess come out and come in again and feel nice. Yes, that's a part of the healing, don't it? Because if you're not fresh up and feel good, you go. Not true? Right, so water, life. So if you bathe, right? And exercise. Hey, see how next one I do? We talk about come here, pick out. You see this? They talk about coal. This is Aurelia. This is the Aurelia. The Aurelia is the #1 coal bush. So if you pick me up coal, you could beat up this with some garlic, little leaf of life, put it together with some garlic and little honey, and help you take off it, bad coal off of the chest and I'm thinking, Aurelia, good. See? Yes, Daddy. So that's the nut, that's how it's still now. So you see? Let me show you something. So I may talk about that. You see the almond? The skin is, you know. So before you drop our ground, you could get them, skin it off, put it with some ginger and blend it to get some nice natural juice. Simple. When it dry now, you chop it up, boom, you get out the nut. You can't eat the nut now. You can't get milk from it. Then you have burger that come out of it now. Punch that come out of it. Yeah, nothing. See? This leaf of life, you imagine the amount of power that lies within it. Leaf of life, good for the cold, for baby. You could beat it up, you could chew it up, the leaf naturally. You could eat it. Some people you could put a little salt with it and eat it good for cleaning the cold. Simple. Yeah, they're simple things, see? So this is the tambourine. You talk about the tambourine, that's how tambourine look. See? It's tambourine. Beautiful tambourine. So all of these herbs, you talk about, you know what is this one? You know what is this herb here? You don't know it? What's your name?
Fern.
Firm. So you see you have a firm. Firm has a rock. Highly chewed stand up. So firm is good. It's a good medicine. Good for a lot of things. Firm. You see? Every herb that you see on the earth. This is a. You know this one? You know this herb? Dirty, lovely, Spanish nigger. Spanish nigger. It's good for food. It's good for medicine. So you could eat it. The green part, then I hope you could use it because the bees get this pollen from it too. See? So this to the earth. See? Yeah, simple thing, yeah. Yes, in the ocean right here, this is a this is a safety harbor where if you're gonna have a hurricane hit Jamaica, you find all the boats from Negril, Black River would come in for safety. It's also a breeding ground for breeding fish and all what lives in the sea. So they choose to come into the lake of the mangrove and they lay their egg. When the fish got big, they get out into the ocean. So the sea and the river meet there, down the back.